Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to format the disk using CMD. Now you go to your CMD, you type in disk path, disk path. That's the first step. So when you click enter, opens another new window called the disk path.x. So in disk path x, you type in list disk to give you a list of the disks that shows on your PC. So you select this that you want to format. Mine is disk 1, so I selected this one and you press enter. So you wait. This one is now selected. This you see after typing this enter, type in clean and you wait for some minutes for it to load. Now waiting, you wait for it to load. Loading. Sometimes it depends on how your machine is. Sometimes it might be fast, sometimes it might be slow. So waiting.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.